Because to catch yoga gum and you, is it a good way to like explain the R in Irish? So like the broad and the slender one, especially the slender, can be difficult in Irish. So to me, it was easier to understand if I got the broad one first and then just palatalized it like the other consonants. So I was thinking, is it a good way to explain the broad one to relate it to maybe the English, American English way they say butter, 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 like that kind of tap D, T sound, whatever it is. It's not butter, it's not butter, it's butter, 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 butter. So I think that's like very similar to the broad R in Irish. So butter. And then if you skip out the B, it's like the same sound to me pretty much. So I'm thinking, is that a good explanation? Am I right? And if so, then I can make a video about it and then relate it to the slender version, because to me it's like the same thing. Am I right about that too? So it's it just makes that sound. So that's the slender version related to the broad version, and we relate it to something that people kind of know already, like how Americans say butter. So let me know, is this a good idea? And if so, then I can make like a proper video about it and be more sure in what I'm saying. So thanks for the help. Glach.